Welcome to this channel. In this particular tutorial, we will simulate a black box circuit using a 555 timer with the help of Tinkercad tool. For more such videos, I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Click on Create and select Circuit. We get a Tinkercad design environment. Now, in this particular design environment, let us search for 555 timer component and select this particular component and place this on the design environment. In order to rotate, use the R button. Now search for the power supply, and in the particular circuit simulation we would be using a 5-volt power supply. Place this particular power supply on the design environment, and next we have to search for capacitor and place this particular capacitor on the design environment. In order to rotate the capacitor, use the R key. Once you place this particular capacitor, now change the value of capacitor to 0.1 microfarad, and next we have to place a resistor for this particular simulation. So select the resistor component and place this on the design environment. Now let the value of resistor be 1 kilo ohm. Next we have to place the second resistor on the design environment. In order to change the value, make this value of a resistor as 100 kilo ohm. Now we must place a speaker. So in the search bar, type speaker and select the speaker from the component list and place this particular speaker. Now place the third resistor on the design window and let the value of resistor be 100 ohm for this particular simulation. Now let us start making the appropriate connection for this particular design. So connect the terminal of the power supply to the reset pin of 555 timer, which is the pin number 4, and the negative terminal of the power supply is connected to the ground pin. Now in order to change the wire color, we can change the wire color using the drop down menu as shown in this particular tutorial. So the negative terminal of the supply is connected to the ground pin, that is pin number 1, and use the drop down menu in order to select the wire color accordingly. Connect the terminal 1 of the capacitor to the negative terminal of the power supply and change the wire color to yellow. This particular change of color would help to make our design more easy to understand. So change the wire color to yellow. Next, connect the terminal 2 of capacitor to the terminal 1 of the resistor and change the wire color to yellow as shown in this particular tutorial. Connect the terminal 2 of 1 kilo ohm resistor to terminal 1 of 100 kilo ohm resistor, and from the trigger pin of 555 timer connect this to the resistor of 1 kilo ohm as shown in this particular design. Now, from the terminal 2 of 100 kilo ohm resistor, connect this pin to connect this to pin number 8 of 555 timer, which is the power, and the pin 8 of 555 timer is connected to the positive terminal of the power supply, and change the wire color to red since this is coming from the power source. Now the discharge pin is connected to terminal 1 of 100 kilo ohm resistor, and change the wire color to yellow. Connect the threshold pin to the trigger pin as shown in this particular example or in this particular tutorial. The output pin of 555 timer is connected to the terminal 1 of the 100 ohm resistor, and the negative terminal of the speaker is connected to the 100 ohm resistor. The positive terminal of speaker is connected to pin 8 of 555 timer, and change the name of this particular design as the black box circuit. Run this particular simulation, you can hear the beep sound. So the next step is, let us change the value of resistor to 100k. So change the value of R1 resistor as 100k. Now run this particular simulation. And change the value of capacitor. So let us make the capacitor as 0.1 microfarad and run this particular simulation. So run this simulation. Watching this tutorial. I hope this has helped your learning purpose. I request you to like, share and subscribe my channel below.